Okay, so this is going to be a quick video just to help you get started with the slicer. There'll be more videos getting into more detail. But on your laptops, you're going to see an icon called Cura for Start. If you don't see it, there's a way to get it, and I can help you do that. But you're going to click on Cura for Start, and when it opens up, it's going to look something like this. So what you see here, and if you right-click, you can rotate this around. This is our print bed, and so whatever shows up here is what's going to get printed. On the right, these are different settings that we could change to make our prints better or alter them in some way. And then over here on the left, we have some other options. The first time you do this, you may have to select a printer, so it may give you the option to do a STARTT printer with 2 T's at the end. So if it didn't have you select it, make sure you do that. If you don't see STARTT on the print bed here, you can go to Settings and Printer, and then make sure the STARTT printer is selected. So what we're going to do today is we're going to print one thing. So we're going to open up a file. You are going to select something, either something that's been made in Tinkercad or something else. I may just have you do this little turtle icon. It might be your keychain. It'll be quick and easy. If you look down here, this will tell you how long it's going to take. This is going to take 1 hour and 9 minutes, and we're just doing a quick test. We just want to take something and just to try it out. So we're going to scale this down. So there's different options to change your object once you have it in the slicer. We're going to shrink this down to like 40%. And let's see, that's only going to take 11 minutes. See, it's pretty small, but that's not going to take very long, which is fine. Eventually, we'll get to custom settings, and we'll change some of these. For right now, we can just go with the recommended settings, but we are going to turn off build plate adhesion. That'll save a little bit of time and a little bit of plastic. So once we get this all set, we're going to hit Save to File, and then we're going to save this in some location where we can get it again. We're going to have 2 different files for this one thing. We're going to have the object that you made in Tinkercad, which is going to be an STL file, and then the slicer is going to turn it into a G-code file. So it's important to know which one you have, because if you try to load a G-code file, you can't alter it because it's already been altered. But if you load in an STL file, then you can make some changes. So anyway, this is a G-code file. We're going to go ahead and hit save. I'm going to save this to my desktop so I can find it easier later. And then hit save. If you have a flash drive already in your computer, instead of save to file, this will say save to flash drive, which is exactly what we want to do. So that will be different if you have a flash drive already. And for now, that is all we have to do.